I like being in the forest. I like seeing the trees move and the leaves move and feeling life. And seeing my sheep and other goats out there at pasture. Makes me feel better. I know everything has a time and a place, and uh, nature is it's always right. And no matter what living being or animal, person, insect, tree, whatever it is, um, I'm thankful, very thankful. I'm very grateful to have known her and to be in nature every day. Every day. If you haven't gone out for a walk in nature, it can do so much for you. I even like finding little things like this, even though they're small. They're little strawberries or wild berries. But yeah, it's just really good to take a walk in nature. I didn't know what I was going to talk about today, but I think I want to talk about being grateful, having gratitude for things in your life that you have, because you never know when you might not have them. And every time I wake up, I'm grateful to be in this forest, in this land, to see these trees and these leaves blow, and to hear the animals. To hear the animals and see them. And to watch these little lambs in their journey in the forest. Yeah, always. Three things that I'm grateful for, and one is always being in nature every morning. I wouldn't change it for anything. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And the land is just so beautiful to be in nature every day.